In this how-to video of Brivo Access, we will demonstrate how to grant access to elevator floors remotely. With this feature, an administrator has the ability to grant access to a floor for non-credentialed users without having to leave their desk. The first method to providing remote access is from the elevator device. Navigate to the desired elevator on the Devices page. At the bottom of the pop-up, select the Grant Floor Access button. Select the destination. Set the duration to the desired amount of time in which the floor will be open for access. The accepted range is 1 to 600 seconds. Select the Grant Floor Access button when ready. The button for that specific floor will now be open to a non-credentialed user for the duration specified. The second method to providing remote access is from the Devices page. Navigate to the Devices page. Select the Grant Floor Access button at the top right. Select a site. Select the desired elevator or multiple elevators. Select the destination. Set the duration to the desired amount of time in which the floor will be open for access. The accepted range is 1 to 600 seconds. Select the Grant Floor Access button when ready. The button in the elevators selected will now be open to a non-credentialed user for that specific floor. For more information, please visit us at brivo.com or contact your Brivo account manager.